Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B1668 is an indication of an issue with the rear shelf LF left front antenna circuit, specifically that it is open. This DTC is logged when the body control module detects a disconnection in the circuit associated with the rear shelf LF antenna. The body control module is integral to managing electrical components and ensuring various circuits work effectively, specifically in power distribution and communication. Its detection of an open circuit indicates that a malfunction is present, requiring immediate attention. The rear shelf LF antenna plays an essential role in receiving radio signals, making its proper function crucial for entertainment systems. The DTC signifies either a malfunctioning antenna or an issue with the circuit wiring leading to the antenna. As a result, proceeding with troubleshooting to pinpoint the exact cause is necessary. The rear shelf LF antenna is primarily responsible for receiving signals necessary for the vehicle's audio system and connectivity features, ensuring that radio transmissions can be effectively captured. Located above the rear shelf, its position is designed for optimal signal reception. The body control module, situated within the cabin, oversees various electrical components, including the antenna circuit. It functions as a central hub, monitoring and controlling the state of electrical circuits throughout the vehicle. When the module identifies an open connection in the rear shelf LF antenna circuit, it triggers the DTC B1668, marking a disruption that could impact not just the audio performance, but also other electronic features reliant on the antenna. Thus, understanding the locations and the roles of these components is crucial for successful diagnosis. Several factors can lead to DTC B1668, with the most prominent being an open wire connection between the body control module and the rear shelf LF antenna. This can occur due to damage, fraying, or corrosion of the wire, leading to disconnection of the signal. Another possible cause is a malfunctioning body control module itself, which may fail to correctly communicate or process signals from the antenna. Finally, the rear shelf LF antenna may also be at fault, where internal failures or physical malfunctions hinder its ability to receive and transmit signals properly. Each of these points represents a critical area to inspect during diagnosis, as they could significantly impact vehicle functionality and user experience. When DTC B1688 is triggered, several symptoms may become apparent. The most noticeable effect would be a complete lack of radio reception, resulting in the inability to listen to AM, FM, or satellite radio. Additionally, the audio system might show abnormal behaviors or malfunctions, such as static, buzzing sounds, or intermittent audio failures. Users might also experience dashboard warnings or indicator lights related to the audio or communication systems. These issues can lead to a frustrating experience for drivers and passengers alike, prompting the need for thorough investigation and resolution. Recognizing these symptoms aids technicians in more focused troubleshooting, allowing for efficient identification of the underlying problem. The initial troubleshooting step involves conducting a Honda Diagnostics System HDS self-check. This tool performs a comprehensive analysis of the vehicle's electronic systems, identifying any existing codes that may not have been previously recorded. Accessing this feature allows technicians to see if DTC B1668 is present alongside any other DTCs, providing valuable context regarding potential interrelated issues. The HDS will also guide further diagnostic procedures by confirming the operational status of related components and their connections. Making sure to document the results of this self-check is crucial for understanding the vehicle's overall health and guiding subsequent diagnostic steps effectively. The next critical step in troubleshooting DTC B1668 is inspecting the external circuit, focusing specifically on the EXT-M+ and EXT-M- lines. An open wire inspection must be thorough, checking for any breaks, frays, or corrosion in the wiring that connects the body control module to the rear shelf LF antenna. During this inspection, ensure that the circuits have minimal resistance, ideally less than 1 ohm when in the off state, indicating that the wires are intact. Any signs of wear or severed connections should be noted, as they could directly contribute to the DTC being triggered. This step is vital in isolating the circuit as the primary source of the issue and supports a logical path towards resolving the overall problem. Following the inspection of the external circuit, the next step involves evaluating the body control module itself. This inspection is essential as the body control module could be contributing to the DTC B1668 if it is internally malfunctioning. With the rear shelf LF antenna connector disconnected, the technician should check the internal circuits of the body control module for proper functionality. It's crucial to verify that the module is receiving and transmitting signals correctly, especially focusing on voltage levels that should be present under defined conditions. If the module fails to operate correctly during the inspection, it may need to be replaced or repaired to restore proper functioning. This is a vital step, as it directly tackles one of the potential root causes of the indicated DTC. The final step in the troubleshooting process is to inspect the rear shelf LF antenna itself, especially if previous checks of the circuits and body control module indicated normal conditions. During this inspection, look for any visible damage or signs of malfunction that could hinder the antenna's performance. Testing the antenna's functionality can involve utilizing multimeters to assess issues related to signal reception and output quality. If any abnormal conditions are found, or if the antenna does not meet operational standards, it will need to be replaced. Conclusively, this step will effectively determine whether the antenna is the culprit behind the DTC, or if further investigation into other system components is warranted. After performing repairs, the final verification step is essential to ensure that the issue has been resolved. This involves clearing the DTC using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, and verifying that it does not reappear upon starting the vehicle again. Additionally, it is necessary to test the functionality of the radio and audio systems, ensuring that they perform correctly without any glitches or disruptions. Confirming that both the hardware and systems are operating without errors is critical for determining the success of the repair process. If all tests pass and the DTC remains cleared, this serves as a robust indicator that the repairs were effective and the vehicle is functioning optimally. To prevent issues related to DTC B1668 from recurring, implementing a routine preventive maintenance schedule is advantageous. Regular inspections of the antenna circuits and wiring can help detect early signs of wear, fraying, or corrosion that may lead to disconnections over time. Ensuring connectors are kept clean and free from dirt and moisture will also significantly reduce the potential for circuit disruptions. Additionally, maintaining proper functioning of external components through consistent checks helps extend their lifespan and ensures that the entire electrical system is in optimal condition. By being proactive, vehicle owners can mitigate the chances of encountering DTC B1668 or similar issues in the future. In summary, effectively addressing DTC B1668 requires a detailed understanding of the components involved and a systematic troubleshooting approach. By following each identified step, from performing an HDS self-check to inspecting the external circuit, body control module, and rear shelf LF antenna, technicians can accurately diagnose the cause. Once repairs have been made, ensuring thorough final verification confirms the rectification of the issue. Alongside these efforts, establishing a preventive maintenance regime enables vehicle owners to sustain the health of their vehicle's electrical systems, avoiding disruptions in function. Proper awareness and action regarding DTC B1668 can enhance both vehicle reliability and driver experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.